Come on, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
No.
Wake up, 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 wake up.
Take a nap right here.
What?
Good night.
Come on!
Hours is going to make a huge difference over the course of the entire lab.
Yo guys, what is going on? It's your boy Nathan here, and we're back with another S2000 video. I've been meaning to do this for a while now, and since I just signed up for Buttonwillow at Speed Ventures on December 21st, I figured I have to get to it, so you know, why not record it? I've been having this issue for a little time now, but I think I have the solution. I hope this is the proper solution to fixing my issue, but you know, let's see how it does. So after I switched over to the S2000 Voltex front, this is a hybrid FRP bumper and a hybrid FRP lip here, but that doesn't matter. The issue is that with their chassis mount brackets that they provide, I lost the rear set, so I don't really have anything that holds the rear portion of the lip up. And if I don't have the rear portion of the lip held up, like air would just get down to the bottom over there, and it would kind of mess up like the whole airflow thing. My solution is to use these brackets. These brackets are Battle Aero's Honda S2000 chassis mount splitter brackets that were used on their chassis mount splitters. I used to run their system, but since I switched over to the Voltex front, I figured I didn't need a splitter anymore because this technically serves as a splitter with the whole under tray design. So I figured, you know what, I think I'm ready to let go of the whole splitter setup, but I did not let go of the bracket setup, thankfully. So I'm having an issue with a sagging lip in the rear. If you have the S2000 chassis mount brackets, they would come with the rears, but I lost mine, so you know, I've been having to make do with zip ties, but today we are going to fix that issue. So my method of attack here is to, you know, open the hood, take off the bumper, and then mount the chassis mount brackets. I'll mount the top half to the frame, and then for the bottom, I need to find out how I'm going to drill it and like the proper measurements to make sure that I'm drilling into the right place. I still haven't really figured that out yet, but you know, I'm going to give it my best shot because, you know, I only have one shot, and hopefully this fixes my issue. Hopefully. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be devastated. Okay, so the bumper's off. It's over there. And now my method of... Yo, what the... Nani? How are you gonna tell me there's one bracket here? Where did this one go? I swear to God, guys, I had this. I had the full kit aside from the rears. What the... what the hell happened? So, I'm definitely gonna need these chassis mount brackets now. But, okay, back to the game plan. So, the chassis mount brackets are going to line up here. And on this side as well. And then from there, we should be able to center mount the brackets, and then I need to figure out where I need to drill for the lip portion right here. So I gotta figure that out, and then once I figure that out, we're gonna go ahead and try and see if this is the proper solution. So the first mount is done. It's kind of a weird contraption. Let me get a light up in here, boy. All right, so it's a kind of a weird contraption going on here, but if you can see, I mounted the bracket this way, subject to change. I don't remember which way we put it, but this is basically what's going on. I put a sandwich plate in there that's included with the kit, and then put 2 bolts in, and then slap the bracket on like this. So put a sandwich plate there, get the bracket on here, and what's nice is that this is completely adjustable so that I can adjust to the lip and then just mount it from there. So I'm gonna go in and do this side. And then we'll see how things go from there. Alright, so we're gonna use the sandwich plate right here and then have one of the bolts lined up already. And what we're gonna do is stick it inside into the beam right here, and then it should mount down. And then we get the next bracket Oh, not that one. So you want to do it on the outside bracket, the one furthest away. Just like that. So right here. So there's going to be 1, 2, 3 holes. And you don't want to get the first one that's closest to you or the second one that's the smallest. You want to get the third one that's the furthest away from you. And then we're going to put in the bracket. And from there, we're just going to tighten everything down. And that covers it for the first part of the chassis mount. Alright, so for the same contraption here, so sandwich plate, bolt, and then the bracket right here. And again, it is adjustable. So this side is basically done. And we're gonna go ahead and start measuring like how to get that bumper and this lined up using the other mounts that are located right here. Alright, with the bumper back in, we're just gonna try and find like a mock-up and see where it lines up with the brackets, and then from there we're gonna have to drill a hole into the lip right around there, and after that we're gonna mount it and see how it does. Hopefully, I'm really hoping that this works. If it doesn't, then I just drilled into my front lip for nothing when I could have just kept using zip ties. But I'm hoping that this is like a permanent solution versus me always having to zip tie it like every other week. So here's to hoping. Okay, so I just finished mounting these, and what's nice is they're adjustable. So what I did was I put the bumper back on just to give it a try, and then what I did was I put the bracket through here and just mounted the brackets together, and from there I slapped some blue tape in the spots where needed, and I marked in black Sharpie where I need to drill. So I'm only gonna worry about the two big ones right here. The middle one doesn't really matter, and I did the same for this side, even though it's a little off. Tape's a little off, but you get the point. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to drill those, and we're gonna see how it turns out. I hope it goes really well. From the looks of it, the mounting brackets look pretty promising. I lifted the bumper up and the bracket slid up perfectly. So I'm hoping that if I can bolt in the brackets at the spot where they need to go, I should be good. But what is interesting me right now is the idea of my Amuse R1 bumper. I wonder how this is gonna look when I put it back on the. You know what? I think I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna give it a cool minute, see how it looks. Huh. I wonder. It looks pretty decent actually. Fitment's not spot on because I'm just mocking it up, but huh. This is an interesting look. I don't know. Maybe I should keep this bumper around just in case. Wow, I kind of miss this bumper. Yeah, maybe I'll be running two bumpers for who knows why. But, huh. Okay, we should get back to work. Oh geez, y'all. I just cut the bumper. I just cut the lip, or I drilled into it. So here's how the results are looking. So I made this hole and this one, and then this one and this one. Little nerve-wracking, but I hope that this fixes the issue. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so the bumper is back on and mounted to the new brackets. I took out the Shine Auto ones just because the Battle Aero ones are able to hold up the entire lip completely without Shine Auto's help. So I'm gonna go ahead and run that setup so I don't have like an extra rod just laying around. So I mounted the bracket to the bumpers in this fashion right here. So if you can see, there we go. So the bottom of the lip is mounted to the brackets and the brackets are adjusted to this bracket that connect to the chassis. And the same would go for this side right here. So all I need to do now is just adjust the height of the brackets, lock the height in, and then tighten everything down, and it should be good to go. I'm gonna see if it works, and if it does, I'll let you guys know about the results, but if not, I'm probably still gonna let you know about the results. Alright guys, after who knows how long, it's finally dark outside. I finally finished. The bumper is mounted to the brackets, and the brackets are adjusted to the right height. So it's a little dark in there, but let me show you. There's no gap anymore. So air won't be flowing out, and the lip won't be sagging anymore. And these are firm, man. These are really firm. If you try to shake the bumper any bit, doesn't move at all. It's really good, really good. So it's exactly how I wanted it to come out, and I'm pretty happy with it. I'm really happy with it. Now I just need to drive it on the road and see what happens. But my guess is that everything should be okay, because it's chassis mounted now. If you guys want a link to the product, it's available on our website at modinfinite.com. Make sure to go check it out. I'll leave it in the description below. But I think that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more content from me, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell. I'm excited. This is the first part of track prepping the S2000 for Buttonwillow, and the start was the Voltex lip, because it was sagging before. Now it's not sagging anymore, which is great. So we're not losing like any aerodynamics or anything like that. Really excited. I still have a lot more track prep to do, so make sure to stay tuned. Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, and by the way, I left out the whole Mod Infinite thing. I got these brackets through modinfinite.com. I said that before already. Yeah, I did. So make sure to check out the link if you guys are interested in chassis mounting your lip to your chassis, so that it's not sagging, it's not falling off or anything, so that it's on there firm. It's going to be in the description below, and if you guys want to use a discount code, make sure to use BUY03 to save 3% on your entire order. Last video I talked about how you would save 5%, but after talking with Mod Infinite, we had to negotiate on a 3%, but that's better than, you know, not saving any money. So make sure to check out the link below if you're interested, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.